Hello, my name is Karen and this is Chris. We're in Cheltenham in England. We are joining the ABAI WAVE project, which was created by Abai Qunanbaiuly. We will be reading some fragments of the poem Summer by Abai Qunanbaiuly.
When summer in the mountains gains its peak, when gaily blooming flowers begin to fade, when nomads from the sunshine refuge seek, beside a rapid river in a glade, then in the grassy meadows here and there, a salutatory neighing can be heard, of vari-coloured stallion and mare. Quiet, shoulder deep in water stands the herd. The grown-up horses wave their silky tails,
lazily shooing off some irksome pest, while frisky colts go frolicking about, upsetting elder horses at their rest. The geese fly honking through the cloudless skies. The ducks skim noiselessly across the river. The girls set up the felt tents, slim and spry, as coy and full of merriment as ever. Returning from his flocks, pleased with his ride, again in the owl appears the bai. His horse goes on with an unhurried stride. He sits and smiles upon it, hat awry.